what's up? Hope you all are doing good. It's your girl Win and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Sassy Leo. So today I'm going to share with you all my hair care regimen. So guys, first things first, I am not at all an expert. I'm sharing with you the tips and tricks which I follow to maintain long, strong, silky, shiny, healthy hair. So without any further delay, let's just get up and get going. Pro tip number 1 is massaging your scalp regularly every night before sleeping. So guys, it is not at all important to use hair oil every time before massaging. You can massage your hair without hair oil. Massaging your hair has health benefits such as it reduces stress, relieves tension. Also, it is a natural remedy for headaches including migraine. Also, according to a Japanese study, it has been proved that massaging your hair regularly stimulates your hair follicles and enhances hair growth. Pro tip number 2 is brush your hair with a wide toothed comb. Never ever use a normal comb for detangling your hair. Use your shampoo comb and brush your hair from the bottom and move upwards to detangle. Also, tie a braid before sleeping. It prevents tangling your hair. This prevents the problem of frizzy hair, reduces breakage and damage to your hair. Pro tip number 3 is never ever tie your hair too tight before sleeping. Pro tip number 4 is the correct way of washing your hair. So guys, we should all wash our hair at least once a week. Dilute the shampoo. Always use some water to dilute the shampoo. Guys, कभी भी shampoo as it is use नहीं करना. Always dilute your shampoo because sometimes we are just not aware of the sulfates and phosphates in our shampoo. Ideally, we should use sulfate and phosphate free shampoo. काफी shampoos में base material, fragrance, etc. होते हैं. So that is the reason we should always dilute our shampoo. So guys, always use diluted shampoo on your head. Lather it there itself and then slide the lather down. Remember guys, it's just the scalp that gets dirty because it secretes oil. So this trick helps to reduce the dryness of your hair and helps cut down frizz. So guys, after each and every hair wash, never ever forget to condition your hair. I personally prefer Patanjali coconut hair wash as well as damage control conditioner and let your hair dry naturally. Also, take hot oil massage before each and every hair wash. Pro tip number 5 is cut off on regular heat styling. This includes straightening, curling, blow drying, crimping, etc. Regular heat styling damages your hair and makes it dry and frizzy. So try styling your hair naturally, and when you use heat styling tools such as straightener, flat iron, curler, etc., never forget to use a heat protectant serum before styling. Pro tip number 6 is trim your hair regularly and cut off your split ends. It is not at all a big deal to trim your hair all by yourself. All you need to do is take a section of your hair, twist them, and जितने भी split ends उस twist से बाहर निकल रहे हैं, cut them off and voila, you are done. Pro tip number 7 is take hair spa once or twice a month. I know, hair spa costs a heck. It is very expensive, so I prefer making hair spa cream at home. अब hair spa cream मैंने बनाना सीखा है from a YouTube channel called Be Natural. So मैंने एक बार गलती से hair straightening wet hair पे कर दिया था and it damaged my hair to that extent. Oh my god, I just can't imagine. The condition of my hair went so bad. My hair became so frizzy. So मैंने वो हेयर स्पा क्रीम फ्रॉम बी नेचुरल ट्राई किया था एंड इट रियली टर्न्ड आउट टू बी गुड, टू बी सो इफेक्टिव. सो मैं तब से वही हेयर स्पा क्रीम फॉलो करते आ रही हूँ. व्हेन यू आर अबाउट टू टेक अ हेयर स्पा, you have to clean your hair. So take a hair wash, then apply hair spa cream, then dip a towel in hot water, rinse the water off, and using that cover your hair in the hot towel. This process is called steaming. So steaming karo for 10 to 15 minutes straight and then wash off your hair. It's as simple as that. Now talking about benefits of hair spa. Hair spa provides deep conditioning to your hair. The process of steaming removes impurities from your roots. Third benefit of hair spa is that it normalizes oil secretion from your hair follicles. Also it provides lustrous locks, tames frizz and repairs damaged hair. Also it is a rehydrating therapy which restores natural oils. Also, different types of hair spa are available for different types of health concerns. So, you have got to identify your health concerns and opt for the hair spa accordingly. Pro tip number 8 includes stop stressing over hair fall. Guys, hair fall किसी को भी हो सकता है. It is not a major issue until and unless बहुत severe hair fall है. But hair fall के कुछ reasons होते हैं. Hormonal imbalance. Others include factors such as improper diet. Not following a proper sleep routine may also enhance hair fall. So, maintain a proper diet and take proper sleep. It will actually help you reduce your hair fall. Pro tip number 9 includes the problem of dandruff. So guys, dandruff is not contagious or serious, but हाँ काफी time वो embarrassing हो सकता है. So dandruff का main cause है seborrheic dermatitis. That it causes the skin on the scalp to just flake off. So मुझे तो dandruff की problem as such नहीं है, but मुझे पहले dandruff की problem थी and I used home ingredients such as lemon juice, honey and curd to cure that dandruff. So guys, to prevent the problem of dandruff, you have to maintain pH of your scalp. The pH of your scalp is around 5.5. To maintain the pH of your scalp, you have to take into consideration the routine of oiling your hair. Scalp बहुत ज्यादा dry भी ना हो और बहुत excess oil भी scalp में ना लगाए. Also, dandruff can be treated using a mild shampoo जिनमें कम से कम chemicals हो. So pro tip number 10 is follow these tips and tricks regularly. Guys, one go में कुछ भी एकदम असरदार नहीं होता. You have to keep patience. Follow these tips and tricks regularly. After a point of time, I promise these tips actually work. Because it worked for me. Starting from daily massaging your hair, braiding, correctly washing your hair which tames down your frizz, then conditioning, also including hair spa in your regimen, as well as stop stressing over hair fall and maintaining the pH of your scalp. All these tips and tricks do work, but you have to keep patience. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, turn that red subscribe button grey and hit the bell icon beside. Also follow me on all my socials, link in the description bar below. Till then, this is me Vin signing off. I shall see you in my next video. Bye.